Welcome to this Canva tutorial where we'll explore how to lock the background in your designs. To lock the background, start by clicking on the page in Canva. Then, head over to the toolbar and locate the position option. Click on it and navigate to the Layer section. Next, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the background element and select Lock Background. This action prevents any accidental changes to the background while you work on other elements layered on top of it. If you ever need to make adjustments to the background or unlock it, simply click on the three dots again, choose Unlock Background. That wraps up our tutorial on locking the background in Canva. Thanks for watching.